I'm so excited to install this new wig because she is so cute. The hair color that they sent over is just, it's chef's kiss. This is the wig right here that we're going to be installing today. I am super excited to get this wig on because this color is so gorgeous. You guys already know I love curly hair. It's actually pre-colored, so I didn't do anything to it. The only thing that I did was bleach the knots and did like plucking in the frontal part here. So this baby is ready to go. But as I mentioned earlier, this wig is from Megalook. I'm going to be I'm going to be leaving all of the information for this wig down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions, just make sure to check the description box. So we're just gonna go ahead and install it. I'm gonna speed through this part because my blow dryer is gonna be on and like you guys won't be able to hear me anyway, even if I was trying to talk. So I'm just gonna speed through the install process. I'm gonna be using this Ebin Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray to secure this lace wig on. So I am all done installing this wig. I love this color. This color is so bomb. I'm not gonna lie to you though, guys. I had to go off camera and like make some alterations with the lace because I went in with like too much lace tint. So I had to go back and like try to rub some of it off, but it's definitely looking 10 times better than what it was before. Before it was just like, girl, what did you do? So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting these edges together because you guys know I love some edges. We're gonna try and keep them like, you know, real chill, you know, nothing crazy. Who am I kidding? I'm probably gonna do something dramatic. I'm just gonna section off some pieces here and then just trim them down. And then I'm gonna go in with my little curling wand. So this is like a mini tiny one. And I'm gonna use that to curl that hair forward. And now we go in with our wrapping foam. Using a tiny bit, I'm just going to kind of mold my edges. So I'm all done with my edges. I tried to go for like a softer, like fluffier look. I might do like some adjusting later on, but so far they're like okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start defining these curls. I have my little spray bottle here. Just kind of work in sections and go into my spray bottle. So right now I'm just going in with my olive oil, my ORS olive oil mousse, the wrap setting mousse, and I'm just like finger combing that through the hair. It's just gonna give the curls a little bit of definition as they dry. Okay, I think I'm gonna kind of pause with the hair for now though. These curls look freaking amazing. The curls are super cute. This hair is really long and I love it. I'm obsessed. You guys already know how I feel about curly hair. It's my favorite. So anytime I get a chance to wear curly hair, it's always, you know, it's always a vibe for me. This hair is bomb. This color is bomb. And I'm just like so excited for this hair to dry. So like you really see like the curls just like push through. Now you guys can finally see the hair in all its glory. These curls are bomb. The color is bomb. It's giving. I'm obsessed with this hair. This hair is so stinking cute. I was gonna do like a part, and then as soon as I took the wrap, like the head wrap off, I was like, you know what? I'm not doing a part. I'm just gonna do like a little kind of like flip over method type of style. Shout out to Ivy for like putting us on to that method. But yeah, so I did like a little flip over like method type of look.